The next note we're gonna play is the note of A, is the note of A, is the note of A. The next note we're gonna play is the note of A, is the note of A. First finger, second finger, that's how you play an A. Thumb on back, squeeze it tight, that's how you play an A. Blowing gently, sit up straight, that's how you play an A. Pointing up, second space, that's how you play an A. First finger, second finger, that's how you play an A. Thumb on back, squeeze it tight, that's how you play an A. Blowing gently, sit up straight, that's how you play an A. Pointing up, second space, that's how you play an